Every day, the modern world is at the stage of constant motion. Millions of cars, planes and ships transport people and cargoes around the whole world, 24/7. Furthermore, increasing numbers of petrochemical plants produce products from crude oil. All this is possible thanks to the refined petroleum product, millions of tons of which are daily produced at the refineries throughout the whole world. However, in the process of the work of these enterprises, hazardous wastes are generated in the form of oil sludge, stored in the sludge ponds or in the form of oil waste deposits stored for dozens of years. Deposits of these dangerous wastes have constant negative impact on the environment and generate irreversible consequences, technogenic disasters. Struggling for purity of the environment is one of the main tasks of the humanity. The Swiss company MAN Oil Group has developed various technologies to eliminate oil contaminations. The company is successful in treatment and disposal of oil treatment wastes, as well as implementation of projects to restore hazardous waste oil deposits all around the world. MAN Oil Group efficiently works in the markets of all the continents, implementing environmentally friendly solutions for integrated treatment and decontamination of oil sludge and oil-contaminated soils. Oil sludge is a fatty, viscous, non-homogeneous mass with semi-solid or solid materials, mainly consisting of paraffined hydrocarbons, inert sand and sediment, other mineral deposits and water. Under long-term storage of oil sludge, the product is decomposed into several layers. Upper layer is liquidous oil and paraffins. Middle layer consisting of oil-contaminated water, which contains heavy residual hydrocarbon and mechanical impurities. And lower layer is a bitumen sludge compressed layer consisting mainly of heavy hydrocarbon and mechanic inclusions. Oil sludge in the sludge pond can be extracted with the help of a pontoon. There is an immersible intake unit on it, equipped with a pump, as well as with special rippers and a system of high-pressure nozzles that ensures efficient extraction of not only liquid sludge, but also aged, solid bottom sediment. Washed-out sludge is forwarded to the Storm pulp preparation unit through floating and stationary pulp pipes, wherein separation of washing-out water takes place. The latter will be returned to the nozzles of the intake tool through an outer mantle pipe. As far as solid sludge from the deposits shall be brought to Storm, the transportation will occur through a shovel loader that feeds a grinding unit. In the first separation unit, the incoming products from the sludge pond or from the grinder will be separated roughly into oil, water and solid particles. The water will be heated up through a heat exchange unit and pumped back to the sludge pond or to the grinding unit. Supported by the heated technical water, as well as through NHS treatment and vibrations, solid particles with a size of more than 4 mm are separated from the pulp and discharged in a hopper for further treatment. The pulp is forwarded into the stirrer tank. In the stirrer tank, it is intensively mixed and heated up to 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. NHS reagents intensify the processes of hydrocarbon separation from solid particles, and heavy and paraffin hydrocarbon are dissolved with NHS solvent. In intermediate intervals, the stirring mechanism will be switched off, allowing separation of the sludge into solids, water and oil. The wet solids will be forwarded to the first set of hydrocyclones that separates them into moist solids and water. The solid phase is discharged into cake sedimentation hopper, whereof it is periodically loaded into cake post-treatment unit or on trucks to be transported to the landfill. In the set of hydrocyclones 2, the recovered water will be cleaned from solid particles. As far as the water still contains solid particles, meaning such of smaller than 40 microns, it must be processed in a tank with flocculants in order to obtain particle-free water. If advised, additional water post-treatment will be executed in a filter unit. Storm 15 complex works under control of the automated control system, which ensures stable operation of the functional units when processing oil sludge of practically any type and composition. Record of operational and technological parameters of the process and functional units. stability of technological process and alarm in case of emergency situations, tailor-made approach to the problem and highly efficient physical methods of oil contamination treatment implemented in Storm 15 complex, sludge treatment and oil recovery machine ensure recovery of hydrocarbon compound and treatment of mechanical impurities as well as water up to the required standards. MOG designs tailor-made environmentally friendly solutions for all its customers. High professionalism of our employees and usage of its own treatment technologies will make your business safe. Man Oil Group. Safety of our future.